Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize sound and vibration options in Realme 14x phone. So first, how to turn on vibration only. We can swipe from the top and here we have our bell option. So now it's vibration only, now we have silent mode, and now we have default options. Alternatively, we can go to to settings. Then in settings, we're looking for sound and vibration options, and we have the same three options at the top. We have the default option, we have vibrate only, and we have silent mode. Of course, we have a lot more options. Here, as you can see, we can change our media sound, ringtone volume, notification and alarm volumes as well. We can change our ringtone using this option here, and we can change notifications sounds as well, and much more. And that's all. Goodbye.